is it's called the Prescription for Health by Shaklee. And this isn't by any means all of our products, but this is a really good foundation to get started with. First one I'll talk about is the Vitalizer. This comes in a formulation for men, for women, and for people over 50. And they're formulated specifically for those genders and age group. But the unique thing about all of these is that there is a smart delivery system, and that's a patented system developed by Shaklee. And what this does is allows these nutrients to be absorbed at the specific time in the digestive tract where you get optimum absorption, so it does the most good. This is what the packet looks like. You have these are Vital-E Gold, so these are the multi-Vital-E. This is the omegas, the beta-carotene, carotenoids, vitamin C. You have your probiotic, which is for your intestinal health. And this is patented itself. It's just a very unique little pearl-looking capsule. But you're guaranteed live delivery of 500 million good bacteria to your intestinal tract. It survives your stomach acid all the way through. So we've seen phenomenal results with just that. But this is what you would take daily. You can take them all at once, or you can split them up. But this is all the vitamins. I mean, if you were to buy all of these separately, you would see a significant difference in the price. This is Cinch. It's a meal replacement drink. It was designed for weight loss, but it's a great morning drink. It has 24 grams of protein in it. Comes in vanilla, chocolate, cafe latte, and strawberry flavors. They're all delicious. You can mix it with milk, or you can mix it with soy milk, or whatever your choice is. But the protein in this will really help you with your energy for the day because it stabilizes the blood sugar and it keeps you from getting hungry.
Don't forget the lutein.
Oh, yeah, one of the most important things. The lutein in this, designed to keep the muscle mass. If you're in a weight loss program, keep the muscle mass and lose the fat. So you actually lose a lot of inches with this product as well as weight. There's a whole product line that goes, if you're interested in a weight loss program, a whole line of snack bars and an energy tea.
Meal replacement bars.
Yeah, meal replacement bars. So there's that. Also part of this group is the Nutriferon. This was designed by or developed by the same individual that developed interferon for cancer treatment. This is a natural product that boosts the immune system. So you take 2 of these every day. What we found is we just don't get colds, we don't get flus, not to mention all of the other, the bigger issues with your immune system in the way of cancer and those types of things. So this is an awesome product. Vivix. This is Shaklee's latest product. It is an amazing amount of research went into this. It was designed by, they brought on board a doctor who was the foremost authority on anti-aging. He helped them develop this. 1 teaspoon is the equivalent of 100 glasses of red wine. So resveratrol is full of antioxidants. They added the muscadine grape in here for extra phytonutrients. Ed, you can tell them what it does for your DNA and your mitochondria. The details.
Yeah, your cells are broken up into several items, and the mitochondria is actually the energy center of your cell. And what the Vivix does is it goes in and it actually reconstitutes the mitochondria so that it's more active, creating more energy. Then there's also a byproduct in your metabolism that's created in the cell. It's kind of like what I want to say. It's like a byproduct, like a smog or a clutter or a I don't know what to call it. It kind of muddies up your cell. And it makes your cells less effective in their activity. What the Vivix does is it removes that. But the most amazing part that Vivix does is it takes your cell, and like say if your DNA chain is in each one of your cells, and if you have some damage to one of those DNA ladder rungs, the Vivix will come in and it will actually repair that portion of the DNA so that when the cell divides again, and we all know that your cells continually divide and replace themselves, but when that cell divides again, then what you've done is you've removed that typo, or you've removed that damaged DNA ladder piece with one that's completely whole. So you're going with a healthy cell the next time it divides. So amazing stuff. It works good for creating better energy, healthier cells for your entire body, and just there's a number of things that people have experienced using the Vivix. One of the really important one is its fight in type 2 diabetes. It's been really effective at that.
Okay, so we have a whole list of testimonies, additional information on each of these products, but I would just encourage you to check it out, take a look, and understand how this really works. What I want to show you I'll just take one of the tablets that is in this little strip, because if what you want to happen with your vitamins is to have them break down and get into your system quickly. A lot of times vitamins don't do that. These are baked vitamins. This is the Vita-Lee by itself. As you can see, it just shows a little bit of a raise in the top. These have been baked, and a lot of vitamins are made with petroleum. So when they're baked, that petroleum oozes out, and if you could smell these, you could smell the stale smell. The Flintstones, I suspect, is sugar that creates that black there. But if you're taking vitamins at home, I would just encourage you to take a tablet, just drop it in some water, and just watch it and see how fast it breaks down and dissolves. This will start breaking down within 5 minutes, and it needs to get into your system within 30 minutes, or it basically does not do you any good.
I'm going to talk about bioavailability.
Go ahead.
Oh, I get to talk about bioavailability.
Go for it.
Well, one thing that's kind of unique about all the Shaklee vitamin products is they're bioavailable, and what that means is that when you take them and they start to break down in your system, they're immediately available for uptake into your bloodstream, where a lot of them will just sit there. They're not bioavailable. They'll actually pass through your entire intestinal system. One of the things that Bonnie had mentioned here with these in the SMART system is the fact that different vitamins are taken up in different parts of your intestine, and again, those are bioavailable, so they're made to be quickly absorbed into your system. One thing that you would notice if you were to take a Shaklee vitamin, like say on an empty stomach, without having a little bit of food or toast or something in there to kind of buffer the action of the vitamin, you would know exactly when that vitamin entered your system, because you would start having a little feeling of nauseousness. So what we encourage people to do is to take their vitamins with food, so that when that breakdown occurs, that you don't have that nauseous feeling in your stomach, but that's just all the nutrients entering your bloodstream when you feel that.